Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to book a Careem taxi in Dubai. First, download the Careem app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and sign up with your name and mobile number, and log in if you already have an account. On the home screen, tap Rides and enter your pick-up and drop-off locations. Choose your preferred car type from the available options. You can use cash, credit or debit card, Apple Pay, or Careem Pay wallet. Review the fare estimate and tap Yala to confirm and book your ride. And that's it. That's how to book a Careem taxi in Dubai. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.